Hi, this is Charlie giving you Friday's live trading. I hope you're very well. It's just coming up to 8 o'clock, and we've just been looking through the markets here in the trading room, but not actually seeing anything just yet in the market. So just going to press pause on the recording. But sometimes what happens when you're day trading is that you sit down at whatever time in the morning you sit down, and there's nothing there or nothing definable to regarding your style, strategy, whatever. So you have to just sit back and basically not do anything. So that's what we're doing for now, and we'll come back to this in a bit. Okay, just back, and it's now 20 past 1. And I've not done any trading here today. I'm sat here with the guys in the trading room still. So let's see if I can show you. We've just been having general chats. Oops. You can even see probably down here. Well, the only comment I've put in our announcements was that back in session 2 or whatever, we split the sessions, so I have a mid-morning break. But but we've had loads of chats and all day, but no trades as yet. Having said that, sometimes the best thing you can do is just to sit it out and wait. But this dollar yen is starting to perk up, so we've been keeping an eye on this dollar yen, because if I take you to an hourly chart, it's been coming down. It was coming down earlier, but it's starting to perk itself up, and I'd just like to see if it can go for that breakout. Let's go to the daily chart and we get an idea of what the daily looks like. Nice moving trend overall to the upside. So we're now getting some alignment coming in. So I would love to have just bought just a minute ago when it just came to my outer bands here, but we've got news coming out in 9 minutes time. Inflation, PPI, producer price inflation, coming out of the US. So, and it will be typical, it'll run away from us a little bit, but so I might have to chase it a little bit. Unfortunately, I'd have liked to have got in here, but I can't quite justify that. I've got to wait and see how that inflation figures come out. And as long as it can generally hold up, then I might be able to do something with that. So just waiting and seeing on this dollar yen. 82, yeah. Okay, so just back, and the news is just about coming out now. The inflation figures, it's gone up. Okay, in 99, in at 99. I've chased it. I've had to. So I'm in at 99. I will now add to it. I'm putting a stop down at 82. I will add to it if I get the chance. So I've got in at 99. 113.82. I'm just putting the stop in off screen, folks, because I haven't got time to start dragging stuff. Because if I can get some better entries, then I will. So fingers on the trigger. I'm not going to be too fussy here. Okay, 97 as well. So I've got a second unit in at 97. Like I said, ideally I would have got in here when we did this little red bar just 10 minutes ago, but I couldn't justify it at that point when we got the news coming out, just in case. So at least we've had a little bit of a blip to the upside. I want to see if we can get that follow through now. So I've got 2 units in. At 99 point something and 97. What did I get? 99.8 and 97.8. But both the stops are down at 82. So what's that? 16 pip stop? Something like that, yeah. 113.82. Now, so I've got 2 units in so far. Doesn't mean to say I couldn't put a third unit in. So I've got my stops down here at 82, just below this low. And I want to see if this can continue to follow through. Of course, that's what I'm looking for now. The overall trend to the upside on the dollar yen. We've got yesterday's high is up at 114.08. So that is a potential. Is it a potential first target? Blimey. Risk reward wouldn't be that great on that, would it? From 97. We'll see if I get a third unit in. Then we might be able to get one of the units off. If I get a third unit in. So okay, let's get a third unit in here at 95. Right, there's my 3 units in. I'm not going to put any more than that in today. So 3 units are in on the dollar yen. So I'll just drag that one over. I've put the other stops in, but 113.82. Okay. So I've got 3 units in. We're just going to have to see now whether the dollar yen can carry on creeping its way up here today, or whether it's just going to become noise and it just rolls over. So so getting in at 95.08 would only be a 13 pip target, but my stop is only 12 pips, 13 pips, fun enough, off of that. So somewhere around about 114.08, 114.10, maybe just breach 114.08. and I'll look to get that last unit. I'll take that third unit off if we can get up to that zone, just get bit beyond the 1-to-1. But ultimately, I'm talking with the guys here, they're all listening along as well. I would want to try and run the rest for 114.50 zone, which is by far, it's a fine risk reward. So this third unit would sort of help pay for the loss if I'm wrong, or if it just rolled over and then stopped me out. But the other two units are what are giving me the big risk reward, really. Any slippage? No. No, I got in at 113.95. Let me bring up the three. I'll just take a screenshot now of the three entries. So as I've just taken that, here's the three entries: 98, 99.8, 97.8, and 95. And then I've put my stops all in at 82. Okay, so that's where we're at the moment. So I'll press pause now. So it has taken until 1:30 on Friday afternoon. I was quite expecting to not take a trade, but as it's turned out, we'll see if this dollar yen can have a little push. Okay, just back, and I've been stopped out on this dollar yen. And basically what I did is I had my stop down here below this low, which was the low of that last hour's candle. Now we started coming up again, so I'm going to give it another shot, but not with 3 units at this stage. I'll put 1 unit in. Sometimes I dip the toe in the water, and then we'll see if I can add to it if it comes up. We're what, 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, so I'm sort of coming and going now. But I'll dip my toe in the water. I'll put the stop down below that low, down at whatever that is, 79, and then just see if it still wants to creep its way up. I've been in this situation before where the market actually still wants to go higher ultimately. So I'll dip my toe in just the 1 unit. If that doesn't work, fine, because the stop's only going to be what did I say, 79? Let's just double check that. Yeah, down at 79. Just in case it does want to come up, at least I've got 1 unit in. But if it doesn't come up, then the stop is obviously only what did I just get filled out there? So the stop is only going to be let's bring it up. I got filled at 87, so 79. So it's only an 8 pip stop, so roughly call it 9 pips. So 113.79. Oh yeah, sorry, I haven't shown you taken the screenshot of the prior trade, so let's just do that. There we go. So yeah, these were the entries from earlier on: 98, 97, 95. This is the one I've just taken. So whatever that is, 200, 400, 2, 4. What's that work out? I don't know. Just under. If that was 6, that'd be about 550 quid, maybe 440, something like that, for that trade. But that's what happens, isn't it? So the amounts don't matter too much. Why do I show them? Because I just think it's good to be transparent when I do all these sort of videos, to show you what I am making or losing on some of these trades. So I think that's important. But anyway, I'm going to be coming and going. This may not be over, because if it does sneak its way back up, then at least I've got a unit in, and I'd like to add. It'd be back up in the 90s again if it did do that. Could I get chopped? Of course, but any trade that can happen. But we'll see. I'll press pause for now. Okay, just back, and what time is it now? It's now 10 to 5. So as we can see, the dollar yen's come down. So I'm just going to cover off. Let's take the screenshot here of the positions. It's not too much difference actually. Too much difference there, so let's just get this screenshot and then we'll be done. Let's get this right. Yeah, so here we go. So there was that extra trade that I put in at 87 and then got stopped out at, what was the stop at? 79, I'm assuming then. So £650 down today. That's the thing. I think I said this earlier on, but that's why it's important for me to show you the P&Ls when I'm trading, because although we look at pips and all of that, I think it's important. And although generally speaking, you try and encourage people to not be looking at their P&L, but this is live trading. It's me showing you what I'm doing, and it's important for me to show you whether I'm making money or losing money. And today, lost money. It was, and the irony is, we were very close to not trading at all. But the dollar yen looked like it was going to poke up and potentially have that breakout. But anyway, at the end there, it didn't. So a losing day for today. But maybe that dollar yen will still come up. Going out to the daily charts, still looks alright overall on the daily charts. So we'll see if that's going to pop up maybe next week. We'll see. Anyway, I'll leave you to it for now. Now, next week I'm not around. Away next Friday, so there won't be any live trading video next Friday. But of course, there'll be a video in the week along with Kim's as well. See you then. Have a nice weekend.